recording. Hey guys, I got John Cena, and it comes with a WWE Championship belt. This WWE Champion belt. It goes on his wrist, so you do it with the Champion belt on. So it's blue, like the same thing. He has a purple thing. He has a hat and a shirt, but he's purple, and he's a WWE champ. He's the same thing. He doesn't have a hat, just and he's a champion. And the other John Cena, it comes. Yeah, there's two John Cena.
Anong nagligtas yung in the person of Daddy Pedro Cutter? Elevator na naligtas siya. Tapos yung huli niyang kwan, kaya ililigtas kay Sosito, yung victim, sir. Doon sila nakapatid.
Ano ba? Susukan na ba eh? And the little one too.
Okay. Wala na kayong araw. Wala mo sumaway sa kanila. Wala mo kang lifeguard ang babatay. Ang subscribe niyan, pero wala na lifeguard niya ang puntahan. Yan na yan, sir. Yan na t-shirt.
Dude, what are you doing? And here it is. 3 John Cenas. One small, one bigger, and one's the champion. Seriously, I don't know which one is. And the same thing. They're the same thing. They have purple on. And this one has orange on it. Orange. Ah, it's smaller. It's small. Ah, I fell. Yeah. And there's actually 3 John Cenas I got. So I'll put it in my pile. So we'll see you later. Bye. Dude, that's